Good afternoon, everybody. Thanks for clicking on the Wednesday Afternoon Weather Webcast for November 5th, 2014. I'm meteorologist Nate Harrington. A warm day, much warmer than yesterday, about 4 to 5 degrees warmer. The mid-levels of the atmosphere changing a little bit here on the ground. You can feel a little bit more moisture in the air, and the clouds have definitely taken over the sky for today. Mostly cloudy and not a whole lot of sunshine to be seen. This morning we had some clouds and low temperatures were a little milder as well. 50 in Dothan, 55 Geneva. It was 48 in Enterprise and 45 in Troy. The two cool spots really around the area in the northern part of the viewing area and the elevation a little bit higher than the rest of the region. Temperatures in the 50s and 60s down closer to the coast and 49 also down in Crestview. But today has been dominated by a lot of cloud cover. We saw the clouds around early and this afternoon they've thickened up in the mid-levels of the atmosphere. Lots of clouds, 7 to 10,000 feet up in the air, so that's going to block out a whole lot of the sunshine. But the mid-levels of the atmosphere, a big ridge has developed, and that is going to lead to our warm-up for today. 77 now in Dothan, even seeing some 80s out there. Andalusia, Crestview, Marietta, Donaldsonville all checking in with temperatures right at or just above 80. It's 77 in Ozark, 78 Abbeville, 76 in Enterprise, and 79 right now in Geneva and Panama City. So the big feature, again, is this cold front and the rain associated with it. Just tons of light rain. No thunderstorms with this. All the energy for that basically sapped once it got through the Midwest. So just a long cold front stretched through eastern Texas, Louisiana, northern Mississippi, the extreme northwest corner of Alabama, and then into the Appalachians and high pressure off to the east of that. There's still a lot of cool air behind that front, and that will be working its way into the Wiregrass by Friday. We're going to see a little bit of rain, not a whole lot, out of this system. There are your temperatures right now. Clear to see where the front is. 73 Jackson, 55 in Little Rock. These are temperatures right now. So a sharp gradient between that front, the temperatures to the north and temperatures down to the south. 80s down in Florida once again, and 60s in Birmingham, Atlanta, also in Raleigh. The front hasn't moved through there yet, but still plenty of clouds for those folks. The Futurecast shows lots of clouds for today. We stay warm, mild for overnight. We'll see temperatures only dropping into the low 60s for morning temperatures tomorrow. And then watch the front. The front will approach, but you saw how broad the line of showers was along that front, and just behind it. Look what happens to it as it moves through here. That's all we get. Very, very scattered showers around the Wiregrass for tomorrow afternoon, right around 1 o'clock. And this is actually painting a more aggressive picture than some of the other computer models are. Our Futurecast model a little bit more aggressive with the rainfall. Some others more bullish with the rain. We might not see any at all in some spots, but there is that slight chance, around 20 to 30%. And then by Thursday night into Friday, temperatures do start to cool down. Future temperatures for tomorrow morning, I think we're in the 60s. A little lower than this, though. I think middle 60s. By midnight or so, we'll be dropping into the low 60s, even with all that cloud cover. Temperatures tomorrow afternoon as the front passes, I think we stay in the middle and low 70s, especially on the backside of that front during the afternoon time. It'll clear out. All the clouds will be clear for the late afternoon hours, and that's some good news. We'll be live out at the Peanut Festival on Thursday afternoon, doing our 5 and 6 o'clock news on WTVY, also our 4 and 5:30 news on WRGX. So be sure to catch that. That will be a fun time out there doing the shows live. And it looks like all the rain and cloud cover should be mostly cleared out. I think we might hold on to a few more clouds, but that would be it for Thursday afternoon. So we're talking cooler weather for the end of the week and the weekend, but a much colder blast comes next week. Some of the longer range models hinting at a bigger cold blast of Arctic air headed this way at the beginning of next week and lasting most of next week. We'll break those details down for you coming up tonight in the 5-day forecast on News 4 at 5, 6, and 10, WRGX First News at 4 and News at 5:30, and CW Primetime News at 9. If you have any questions or comments for the Afternoon Weather Webcast, be sure to leave those at the social media sites below, and we'll see you back here on Thursday.